How would you like to discover the ideal solution to your biggest problem? You're just moments away from doing that, so keep watching.
It seems you can hardly get through your day without something hurting. Finally, there's a natural solution to those annoying aches and pains. Eazol, the FDA-registered homeopathic pain reliever. Eazol is the only pain relief health supplement that includes a complete list of active botanicals in one easy-to-take supplement. Each ingredient in Eazol was picked by expert formulators in the field of homeopathy. Homeopathy is a very unique system of medicine because the ingredients are used at levels that are generally understood to be non-toxic with no negative side effects, which means nothing artificial or chemical, nothing that will upset your stomach, and nothing you have to worry about. With Eazol, you can ease those occasional aches and pains and soothe everyday complaints using a supplement made with natural herbs.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.